So this is down to $104. It might be $99. It's rare that I can give you any. I've never been able to give you a nice knife set at $104 or $99, whatever you're gonna get with your coupons. That's a first for me. That's an exciting first for me, and I know you're gonna love these. Quality knife set coming your way. Great to gift, great to have. Cindy, do you have any more questions about the knife set? Please let me know, my friend, because I would love to answer them for you, of course, so you can get your needs. And Jennifer got her knife set.